What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're looking at the Deebot T20 OMNI by Ecovacs, and this has a self-cleaning hot water mop washing robot vacuum, and basically it will be able to clean itself. It has an auto lift mopping. It also has True Detect 3D and more. Today we're gonna test it out and see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. So here we go. So this is what the box look like, and we're gonna unbox it right now and show you how easy it is. Basically, you open it up and you take off everything that is inside. And then we're just gonna install the brushes and also the mop pads. This way you guys can see as well what's inside the box before you buy it. We have the tower and also the robot vacuum itself. It comes with 2 mop pads, 2 brushes that we're gonna install right now. It just connects the red to the red brush. And then the green side, we just install the green brush right there. And then the mop pad just pretty much slides in right there. Make sure that it clicks. The second thing that we need to do is to fill up the clean water tank. You can also open it from the middle right here. Next thing we need to do is to install the Ecovacs app, and then we're gonna make an account. I already have an account here, so we're gonna go ahead and straight to scanning the QR code on the vacuum itself. We're pretty much just gonna follow this, connect it to our Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi so that it connects easier and faster, so you don't get that disconnects as well. Instructions here: turning on the robot vacuum and pressing for 1 second the reset button, and as you can see, it'll pretty much connect itself to the Wi-Fi and you're good to go. That's it. Now that everything is good to go, let's go ahead and start the smart cleaning on the app. First steps on the vacuum is it's gonna do some mapping. Pretty much it's gonna go through your whole house. It'll do some sort of a 3D render of it. It'll detect furniture, it'll detect walls, and every room in your house. It'll separate it as well on the map so that you don't have to do anything. It's all automatic there. From this as well, you can customize how clean you want it. You want it to go over twice, how fast the vacuum you want, how fast the mop as well. You can do all that, customize it to whatever you want. With that being said, let's go ahead and look at the features. Now, the first feature that I really like about this vacuum, it has self-washing with hot water, specifically the 132 degrees Fahrenheit. Basically, the reason why we like to clean the mop in this hot water is that hot water makes it easier to remove oil and dirt after it's cleaned certain areas of your house. Especially in the kitchen, you get that oil spills on the floor. You'll be able to get rid of all that. The higher temperature, the faster the movement of molecules, the easier it will be to dissolve oil and dirt, easier to change from solid into a liquid state, making it more soluble in water and therefore easier to wash off. The hot water can enhance the detergency of the surfactants in the cleaning solution. So basically, the main detergent in the cleaning solution is the non-ionic surfactants. The higher the temperature, the higher the activity of the non-ionic surfactants and the stronger the detergency. The 132 degrees Fahrenheit is very important as well because, for example, if you have pets or animal oils that are difficult to clean, the melting point is generally around 113 to 122 Fahrenheit. And with the 132 hot water, it can effectively clean the residual stains of animal oil. The common types of stains at home mainly include dust, sticky stains like food residue or soup, kitchen grease, hair, and other mixtures. Now, with the sticky stains above 132.8 Fahrenheit are prone to kind of like this gel reaction. It increases the difficulty of washing. Now, for more common sticky stains, containing maybe like starch. When the temperature reaches 132.8 Fahrenheit, the starch will undergo gelatinization and become sticky, turning into a viscous colloidal solution attached to the surface of the mopping pad disc, which increases the difficulty of washing. Now, therefore, 132 degrees can effectively clean the melting point of common household animal oils, and meanwhile, it will not cause gelatinization from like starch, and it will not cause safety hazards to human body. And to be honest, this is the first time, and I think this is the only one in the industry that can do self-washing mop with hot water. And the hot water part is really important for the oils and different types of grease on the floor that have been stuck there. The T20 will be able to get that off. The second feature is the intelligent auto lift mopping. Now, I find that last vacuums, robot vacuums that I've tested before, when it goes up to the carpet, it still uses the mop, and pretty much it just smudges all the dirt stuff from the hardwood floors to the carpet, which is not good at all. Now with this, you'll be able to, when it's on the floor, it'll detect that it's on a hard floor, so it will use the mop. It'll do the circular motion as per usual, but once it detects a carpet, it'll actually go up so that it'll clear the carpet. Now with the newly intelligent auto lift mopping feature, the Deebot will automatically lift 9 millimeters when it meets the carpet, when the ultrasonic sensor at the bottom recognizes the carpet environment. The best part about this is you don't need to pull away the mopping pads before cleaning. No need to worry about the mopping pads wetting the carpet as well. A Deebot makes carpet cleaning easy and lets you enjoy the family time barefoot on the carpet. You don't have to wait for it to dry up because it never wetted in the first place. Now the lifting height of the mopping pad here is about 9 millimeter. It'll clear out carpets and also mats. Now a low pile carpet is under 1/4 inch, which is 6.35 millimeter. A medium pile carpet up to 1/2 inch, and then high pile carpet is about 3/4 inch. Now therefore, with the Deebot T20 for carpet cleaning, the higher the mop lift, the less likely it is to wet or soil the carpet. Now this is the best part about this intelligent auto lift mopping, is that the mop stops rotating when it meets the carpet, and then it automatically lifts up and then increases the suction power and the pressure on the carpet. Now the next feature is the 4-stage cleaning system. This is actually industry leading dual side brushes, and most robot vacuums I've tried as well only has the one side. This has the double side, and this is the best during spot cleaning because the high-speed rotation of the single brush tends to blow the garbage out of the area and contaminate the clean ground again. In the same area, dual side brush act like a left and right hands of a person, which gather the dust on the ground on both directions with blow prevention and effectively clean every edge in the whole house. The new rubber brush that they have as well is more durable. It's also really good on carpets because it has that spiraling blades that agitates the carpet better. It also cleans easier when encountering hair tangles. It also has that 6000 PA suction power, which is high performance motor rotation, which generates strong centrifugal force. It is combined with the penetrating air duct system designed according to fluid mechanics to achieve Ecovacs 6000 PA max suction power. From large particles to small dust, from floor crevices to carpet surfaces, it seamlessly cleans every spot. Now the best part about this as well, it has the Osmo Turbo 2.0, which is a rotating mop system with dual disc counter rotation. At high speed, it achieves larger mopping area and improves mopping coverage and cleaning effect. The mop closely sticks to the ground, which works hard to get rid of stains. The Deebot is equipped with a small water tank as well, which can continuously replenish water to prevent from drying when mopping and adapt to the needs to clean different levels of stains. It also has cleaning modes. The first one is the vacuum only, great for scenarios if you have it on a large area with just only carpet cleaning. This is the best if you have pets at home, multi-carpet environments. When enabled on the vacuum only, the robot fan turns on, the side brush rotates, and the mopping pad disc is automatically lifted. Now on the mopping only session, this is like if you have a flooring, just hardwood flooring or tiles only, and you don't have carpets. This is also great if you have a baby sleeping because this is a quiet mode. When enabled, the robot fan turns off and noise is reduced to meet the user's need of quiet cleaning. Now there's also the vacuuming and mopping. This is suitable for like daily ground cleaning and maintenance, or when there are unexpected guests coming over when you arrive home late. Now, when enabled, the vacuum module and the mop module work simultaneously to save time and clean the whole house efficiently. And then there's I think this is a better scenario where it vacuums first and then it mops. This is suitable for deep cleaning, such as when the ground has not been cleaned for many days, or a multi-pet family, effectively preventing cross-contamination of dry and wet dirt, which is pretty much what I used when I was testing this. This is the best one, I think. When enabled, the robot vacuums the whole house first, fan on, mopping pad disc lifted, and then after cleaning the dry garbage, such as dust, dog hair, etc., it will mop the whole house, which is more in line with the logic of manual cleaning. Now, most robots as well really can only do maybe 3,000 PA up to maybe 5,000 PA. I like how the T20 OMNI has the highest 6,000 PA super suction power. It can cope with variety of ground environments such as crevice, dust on the floor tiles, and it's just really good for pet hair, cookie crumbs, coffee powder, dog food, and more. Now, I love how it also cleans the edge. This is like the best for like deep clean. You'll be able to go right on the baseboard there, and you don't have to worry about it missing every part of your house. You'll be able to deep clean every corner of your home. I like how you can also customize the deep clean on the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new robot vacuum self-cleaning in hot water. Again, this is the Ecovacs Deebot T20 OMNI. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link. It does help on the channel a lot if you get it from there. I definitely recommend this for people who wants the best vacuum with mopping and vacuuming at the same time. If you have multi-surfaces on your home, tiles, hardwood, carpet, area mats, area rugs, this is the best for you. And it's super easy to install, super easy to set up, and you're pretty much gonna be good in after a minute or so. You just hit smart cleaning and the Deebot does everything for you. So if you're a person who's super busy and you just want your house clean every night, you'll be able to use this, and you'll have peace of mind that it won't cross-contaminate each room. You can customize the cleaning to however you like. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.